Two below Hopkinton at 346.07. Tingsboro, Groton, Dunstable at 344.18 is in lane 3. Lane 4 belongs to Monument Mountain Regional, 341.92. Beverly, they already knew which swimmers were swimming today. Rachel Grant, Andrea Higgins, Astrid Swenson, and Sarah Welch. Their seed time 336.13. Lincoln Sudbury swims below them in lane 6. King Philip is in lane 7. They're swimmers Samantha Nason, Kara McCarthy, Sydney Nason, and Emily McQuaid with a seed time of 342.16. Westford Academy in lane 8, 344.18. Algonquin Regional with Rachel Scheck, Isabel Seppa, Mackenzie Hostage, and Dorian McMenemy at 346.31. And Masconomet Regional, bottom of your screen, 351.86 in lane 10. So Beverly with a victory here, will it be enough for the overall state championship as a team? They have a big lead.
They still have 2 more swimmers to go. So just like what we saw with Wachusett, we've seen it several times. It really depends on what the other teams have left.
Which if you're Lincoln Sudbury, I mentioned they had divers, one of which was one of the favorites in diving. So even if they do not win this event, if they can come in second, that could be good enough for the state championship. It is Beverly, 2.5 body lengths. Time, 147.26. Lincoln Sudbury at 150.56. The lead is 3.3 seconds. Beverly, 175 yards to go. Hoping it'll be enough for a state championship. Division I girls, winter swimming. 150 to go, and Lincoln Sudbury is gaining ground now. The lead is down to less than 2 seconds, 1.86. Make that 8.4 to be exact. $125 yards to go. Lincoln Sudbury trying to gain ground. The lead is now down to a 1/4 body length. Both swimmers digging as deep as they can. The Warriors are now in first place heading into the final leg, 16/100ths of a second behind. The state championship meet is now down to the final 75 yards. Lincoln Sudbury and Beverly come out of the water together, but Lincoln Sudbury pulling away. Can Beverly make up ground on each of the last 2 turns? Lincoln Sudbury's lead is now up to a 1/4 of a length. Time-wise, that's 32/100ths of a second. The lead is now a body length for the Warriors. A win here and they could be state champions. Lincoln Sudbury down to the final 15 yards. The lead is a full body length. Digging every inch of the way for a state championship. The Lincoln Sudbury Warriors at 333.33. Beverly 335.15. Third place